What's up guys, today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure and I have some friends here. We're trying to win the game and with Bacon and Little Dragon. As you can see, I can see a fighter jet. I don't know why, but let's win now. I'm just gonna save them. I'm just gonna save. Let's win. Okay, I'm just gonna load the plane and just hope I reload. This is it. I didn't see it. Yeah, let's win. Try. Okay. It's loading, so home. Okay, unable to load boats. Oh my. I'm just gonna do like remove some stuff. Remove the jetpack. Okay, I'm gonna do like take it, put it down. I'm just gonna program it really fast. Really fast. Just gonna do like this. Eliminate. Okay, see? Closing. Okay. I'm gonna do like this. Okay, I'm just gonna program it so I control the free. Okay, programming in progress. Okay, programmed. So let's come on, hop in. Let's go. As you can see, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, let's launch. Launch. E. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing this. Stop it. Kinda bad. Okay, that is good. What happened? Why am I thinking? This is the glitch with maybe like two like this. That's purple. One for roblox. As you can see. Okay, I have a plan. If I hit some rock. Out the juice. It hasn't even loaded. It hasn't even loaded. Double is around. That's good. So only down. No. Stop. Okay, we have a little problem. Switch. Why can't I control it? Okay, we have a problem. Oh, Bacon is already at the server. Okay. My chair broke. Good, I have this. I don't know what is it, but okay. Nice. share this. Tragic. No. It's so long, but I don't have any chairs. So I have to sit in the back. Oh, please, please. I need to pass. I need to pass. Go, 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 go. Yes. Finally. Let's go. No. Actually. It broke. I'm just stuck here, guys. I'll do later when I'm done. Alright, bro. Let's go. Is it basement? Hello, guys. Good job, Bacon. I'm just stuck here. I want to leave. I'm going up. I'm going up. Wait, no. This will close. That is bad. Go up, faster, faster, faster. Why am I bald? What is this? Ah. Wait, what? Good to know. I'm just stuck here. It's not even going up. What happened? Why am I down here? Again? Why am I stuck? No. Wait. Wait, I'm stuck here. Like, seriously. I just fell! What? This has to be a glitch. Guys, this is a glitch, right? Serious. I'm just reset now. Okay. What do you want? That guy. Okay. Oh, hello, new teammate. What are you doing? Wait, I can load the challenge plot. Oh, no. Onion. Okay, why is it stuck? It's stuck. LOL. Bacon. Let's wait. We have escape hatch. Oh God, let's go. We can go outside. Yay! I'm just gonna free her. Here you go. Be free, creature. Just jump. Okay. Be free. I'm just gonna free her because I have a plan. Do you have some jets? No, we don't have. Oh, it's high. Yes. Jetpacks. My jetpack. Make some guns. Guns. Only I have this. I don't. Some swords. Give me the sword. Okay, I'm just gonna repair it. Okay, that is good. This is for sure good. I don't know what do I do. Why like Bacon has the best idea. I need cannons. Which one do I choose? This is the best idea. Oh, Bacon has them too. Let's go, Bacon. I have one left. One more. I have one more bacon. Where do I place it? Where do I place? My last cannon. What the hell? I'm just gonna... Okay, this is good. I'm just gonna make it like this and this. And yeah, it can do like this and this. Yeah, magical moments. Big brain time. Wait, no, don't launch. No launch. I need to make some stuff. And I'm just gonna do like this. Wait. No, wait. I need to do this, and this, and this. Actually, I need E. Okay, E. Okay, we are ready. I need to rebuild the whole boat. I don't care if I mess anything up. I'm just gonna build some weird stuff. And let's prank them. I'm just gonna make some TNT and steal the color of a block and place it. I hope they don't see. I'm just gonna take some. And this, I'm gonna take the color of this and paint them. Oh no, this is so bad. Steal. I need to steal this. They can see it. Wait. I don't know what's that. Now. It's a shield. Let's fly. It's the end. Mr. Beast in our game. Yay. I need to disable it. Disable. No, 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 I fell. I fell. No, help. I need to go in. How did I go out? I need to go inside. No. No, what happened? Everything is so wrong. It broke. My precious building broke. No, what happened? Why am I glitching? What am I doing? Why am I dancing? Ah, no gravity. Okay, so that was it. No, I think that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.